that can leverage the tool of AI and with that interpret data outcomes and produce what has not been from 0 to 1, or differently what has been from 1 to infinity, right? So the question is, even research data does not lie. Research does not lie. However, researchers lie, right? In fact, the AI that we have now, people are finding that, oh, it's actually stereotypical because it depends on what it has been trained on, right? Which can be biased. So when people say research has shown that A, B, C, or true, you need to critically think. And what does that mean? You need to ask some questions. What research? What was the purpose of the research? Was it a peer review research? Was it published, for example, right? And when it comes to the data, what does it entails? If, like, what is the sample size, what is the population? These are things that you need to begin to ask yourself, because the fact that somebody says a research has shown that A, B, and C is XYZ does not necessarily mean that that is the truth, right? That is just one. That is just one. So you will hear people say research has shown that this and this and this, but what is the research?